This is Felix. He's one of our 3 cats and by far is the most troublesome. His hobbies include getting on and in places he shouldn't be, not to mention raiding the fridge after deciding cat food isn't sufficient. Upon entry, he inspects the lower half of the fridge to discover there's nothing that interests him. So he makes his way to the upper half where the cold meats are kept. These have found their way onto the floor many times. He occasionally loves to indulge in catnip, leaving a floor of saliva, and with dangerous results. So Felix might not be the easiest cat to live with, but we wouldn't change him for the world.